Now our hammer drop, we've got a spring over here for it. The little leg fits in that hole. My little hooked screwdriver unlatches that. And we come down and out. Be aware the leg that this was hooked to just fell on the inside. Going to set the spring aside. This is the lever, hammer drop lever. Set it aside. Without moving too many things, I think I can pick that up. And there's the internal mechanism for the hammer drop. Okay, now I'm going to lower the hammer. Next, we're going to take our firing pin and firing pin spring, slide our firing pin spring onto the firing pin. The enclosed end goes onto the firing pin so it stays tight on our firing pin. Our firing pin starts in with the flat and the groove towards the top. We're going to push our firing pin in until this recess is in position with this cutout. Slide our firing pin block into position here. That's also going to contain or retain our firing pin. Put our spring in the top here. Take our slide and we're going to slide this in from the bottom. Okay, once I have the breech block up into its position here, held back against the slide as best as I can by hand, I can start the large roll pin. Get it down almost flush, and then drive it down flush or below flush with a punch. At this point, I can check to make sure our firing pin... Okay, we took apart the old style SIG. Let's tear apart the new style. Press the magazine latch, remove the magazine. Let's go ahead and take it apart at this time. It comes apart a little different. Got a push button right here in the bottom. Push it down, slide the floor plate forward. Keep your thumb over the top of the magazine. Withdraw the spring out. You can see how we can rotate our spring. It comes right out of the little hook here on the floor plate latch plate. Set those things aside. Dump out the follower. And our magazine's disassembled.